This gas 2018 Forest River Forester is for sale by owner, and is being marketed with the help of National Vehicle, the world's largest for sale by owner RV marketplace. Imagine heading off to all of your favorite destinations in this Forest River Forester. This unit has 2 slide-outs that significantly increase the usable space. This RV is powered by a Chevrolet 4500 6.0-liter engine. Contact one of National Vehicle's friendly representatives today, and let's get your journey started. Visit this RV listing by clicking our link in the description below.